Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to remove a group admin on Instagram. Whether you're managing a personal or professional group, it's essential to know how to maintain control over your chat. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you'll need the necessary permissions to make changes to the group settings. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top of your screen. This icon resembles a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages. Tap on it to proceed. Once you're in your messages, find the group that you want to modify. If it's not immediately visible, you may need to scroll through your conversations or use the search function at the top to locate it quickly. After locating the group, click on the name of the group at the top of the chat window. This will open up the group details where you can see all members and settings related to that group. Now, look for the People option within this menu. Clicking on this will display a list of all members currently in the group, including their roles. To remove someone as an admin, find their name on the list and click on the three dots next to their name. This action will open a menu with several options related to that member's status in the group. Finally, select Remove as Admin from this menu. Confirm your choice if prompted, and that's it. The selected member will no longer have admin privileges in the group. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Instagram groups and ensure that only trusted individuals hold admin rights. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media platforms.